you still have to be mindful. You can't just leave it as is, you know what I mean? Don't know where Daisy went now. There you are. Thought I lost you. Yeah, you're a good girl. So she's going to be coming with me today. Here's where Daisy resides, right here. And then here's where I reside. And then that's where my drone and all my camera equipment go. Right there and all over the dashboard. And yeah, and I've got an update for that. This is actually really cool. I'm going to get in the truck right now, show you what I'm talking about. Even like the Easy Connect that this comes with. Hold on for a second. Alright, so I'm going to put the key in. So I wanted to show you on this. If I can get this to kind of go in on there. So this is my regular HU, my head unit. I've got a USB cable that attaches to the back of the unit. It's got the tilt screen. And then you take your USB, plug it into your device, make sure it's unlocked, and then what I do is I slide over and I hit this right here. Head unit reloaded. Hit USB, connect to my phone, and watch. So what do you see right there? What is that? Android Auto on a device that Android Auto couldn't be installed on. And watch how it works. I don't want to get a hit on that, so. But there's Pandora. So you can click on Pandora. Shows what your stuff is. Click on phone. Access to your phone. You can dial, navigation, navigate to Home Depot.
Showing results for Home Depot.
I mean, look at that. Absolutely flawless. I'll leave a link in the description to where you can download an app. And what I recommend doing, installed what's called the trial unit. And I'm still going through that right now. I want to make sure that everything is working. I don't want to pay what the app price is right now, because he gives 2 versions. After 5 minutes, it basically kills the function of the app. So you've got 5 minutes each time you download this app to see if it's going to work on your device. And you can see, I mean, look at this. Like immediate. Everything works on this thing. You can go back to return to Google, or go back to my home screen. You can still function using the radio. And then you just go right back over to headload. I mean, look at that. Like right away. I mean, look at that. This is great. So I like it. It's working out for me. And we're going to give it a trial today as I'm driving to see if everything is working out on this thing. But it's called Head Unit Reloaded. And like I said, I'll leave a link in the description. But we got some fun to do today. So if you're interested in coming along, let's go. Listen to that thing. I love it.